In this episode, we're going to be looking at deploying an application with Kamal, but we already have that set up for a production environment, and now we want to create a staging environment. And the nice thing about Kamal is that we don't have to fully recreate the exact same infrastructure that we have for production. For example, if production has a managed database, a Redis server, perhaps Melisearch, and other things, we don't have to set all of that up in the same fashion for our staging environment. And it really depends on what you're wanting to do with that staging environment. If you do need it to be an exact replica of the production environment, then it may be worth setting up that infrastructure. However, a lot of times you can get away with a single server and using the Kamal accessories. So in this episode, we're going to look at setting up a staging server on a single instance and using the accessories so that we're not having to set up an entire separate infrastructure, but rather just one single virtual machine. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftingruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.